this video will cover how you can easily trim videos using Screencast-o-matic, Zoom if it's a cloud recording, YouTube, Windows 10 through Photos, or Quicktime on a Mac. Screencast-o-matic is a free website that you can use to record your screen for up to 15 minutes. When you launch it, it simply looks like this with a dotted line showing where it will record on your screen. When you're ready, you would press record. And you could have your recording, demonstrate whatever you need to. And then when you're done, you would press pause and then done. And then there is an option to edit the video. You can click no. In this case, we just want to use some of the free features. So here in this window, you'll see that there are two tabs on either end of your video. You can click and drag the front tab to start where you'd like. And again, at the end, you could play to review what you have clipped. And then when you're done, you can hover over at the bottom right-hand corner and either save it as a video file or upload it directly to YouTube. If you have made a recording on Zoom and it has recorded to the Zoom cloud, you can also trim a video through there. First, you would go to delhi.zoom.us, log into your account, go to Recordings, then Cloud Recordings to find your video. And here you would then click it. And then you would click the video again to open it up. And here, once you're viewing the video, there are these scissors icon. This will let you know that viewers will only be able to watch the trimmed video that you've set. And from here, you can adjust the sliders by clicking and dragging in to start where you would like it. And end where you would like as well. Then when you're ready, you would click Save. If you have uploaded a video to YouTube, you can also use the YouTube editor to trim a video. I already have uploaded my demo video here to YouTube. I click it, and then you can go down to Editor. And here, you'll want to click Trim. And a blue box will go around the frames of your video. And when you bring your mouse to the first line of the blue box, arrows will appear. You can click and hold that first line of the blue box. Click and drag it to where you want your video to start. And you could do the same at the end. Then click Preview to lock that in. Then when you're ready, you could either save, discard changes, or even edit that trim. If you're using a PC and have Windows 10, you can trim a video using Photos. First, you would right-click the video file and choose to open it with Photos. Once you have that open, you would bring your mouse up to the top toolbar to find Edit and Create. Click that and choose Trim. And that will bring up a line with two white dots at either end, and you can click and drag the first white dot to bring it in to where you want your video to start. And you could do the same at the end. And when you're done, you would click Save a Copy. And now you have a video with just that clipped portion. You can also use Quicktime to easily trim videos. This might be helpful if you're a Mac user. First, you would open up your video in Quicktime. Then you would go to Edit and then Trim, or the keyboard shortcut is Command-T. This will bring up a yellow bar down at the bottom, and then you can click and drag the front of the bar to where you want your video to start, thus trimming off the beginning of your video. And you could do the same at the end. And when you're ready, you would click Trim. So now, your video is the trimmed version. So that is just a quick video on how you can trim videos using Screencast-o-matic, Zoom Cloud, YouTube, Windows 10 Photos, or QuickTime.